In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Unable to Evolve in Anime Last Stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are getting this message, Unable to Evolve, when you try to evolve a unit in Anime Last Stand, it could be due to various reasons. So in this video, I'm gonna present some solutions that might be able to help you. Of course, the main one is that you most likely lack necessary materials. So you need to make sure that you have the units. Usually it will be only one unit needed in the sense of the quantity, but might need multiple units. And you will need a bunch of materials, so you can see all of their amounts here. So whenever you choose the option to evolve a unit, they will always tell you how much you have and how much you need. So for example, you will need 15 Legendary Spirit Shard, and you will see the amount that you have at the left. So the amount at the left needs to be higher than the amount on the right, and you will be able to proceed to evolve. If you are lacking any of these materials, you will get the message Unable to Evolve. However, if you have every single material and every single unit and you still cannot evolve it, it could be because you have a specific unit equipped. So just to be sure, unequip that specific unit from your team. So for example, if you have Vegeta Angelic on your team, it's important that you unequip him before you evolve into the unit that requires him. And as long as you unequip them, you should be good to go. If you are unsure which materials or items a specific unit needs, you can go over to the wiki to check here. So you go to units on the wiki, go to ultimate, evolve, and you click on any of them, and you will be able to see all of the materials that are needed. So you click here, show/hide evolution, and you can see the materials and the units that you will need to actually get this evolution done. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Unable to Evolve Anime Last Stand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.